Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a Ram 3500 Tradesman Dually Flatbed. I know it's a long name, but it's basically a dually truck. So double set of wheels in the back, and it's got a flatbed as you can see. So it's a work truck. Now this one is finished in black, but being a tradesman, the bumper doesn't come with the same body paint. So though it looks similar, if you look closely, it's not painted and the body is painted black. Now this truck seems to have a lot of good details, so I'm going to start from the front. So in the front you can see you've got the big grille with Ram badge and headlamps. A lower bumper also has the details but no fog lamps, so no painted details there. You do get the marker lamps which are not painted. If you look closely on the top, both the mirrors are there. Windshield wiper is also present. Coming to the driver's side, again some nice details. You got the Cummins badge, so it's basically a diesel heavy duty truck. Nice looking wheels, front and back, as you can see, they look nice with rubber tires. Ram badge on the front door, Cummins badge on the fender, and 3500 badge on the hood. Now door handles are detailed, looks like chrome door handles, and you get a side step too. Apart from that, on the side, because it's a flatbed, it's a work truck, so you get toolboxes and some marker lamps, and the fuel filler is here too. Now coming to the back, again some nice details in the back. As you can see, you've got detailed tail lamp, a number plate, a tow hook, and some more stop lamps. Bed has this diamond pattern which you see mostly when the flatbed trucks are made. So they have this metal sheet with this pattern, and you also get this bar, so it stops from anything going into the cab. And you have some lamps there too, and a stop lamp right there in the cab. On the passenger side, it looks almost identical with the toolboxes. The only difference, there's no fuel filler on this side. You same have marker lamps are there, same step and everything. And this is how the truck looks from the top. It is finished in black, and this is how the base looks with some details like exhaust, and looks like twin exhaust, I guess. And we have the tow hook attachment and some more smaller details. So overall, I think it's a nice looking truck, and if you're into trucks, or if you like American trucks, I think you will like this. It's a good one by Greenlight. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.